Buying the wrong air fryer in 2026 could waste your money, ruin your food. So before you buy, we ranked the absolute best air fryers of 2026. All the links are in description below. The Chefman TurboFry earns the title of Best Budget Air Fryer of 2026 because it gives you the things people actually care about most: crispy food, easy cooking, and reliable performance, without forcing you to spend $100 or more. Now here's where it really wins people over. The Chefman TurboFry delivers that crispy golden texture on fries, wings, nuggets, and even vegetables using little to no oil, so you're getting healthier meals without losing the crunch. Most models also come with dishwasher-safe baskets, which means less mess and less regret after cooking. It has adjustable temperature from 200 to 400 Fahrenheit, and a basket of 3.5-liter capacity perfect for your meals. The Ninja Max XL earns the title of Best Single Basket Air Fryer of 2026, because if you want one powerful basket that does almost everything right, this is the one people keep coming back to. Priced at around $120 to $180, depending on sales and retailer, it's not the cheapest option. But this is where you pay for performance, speed, and real versatility, not just a brand name. Its 5.5-quart basket fits about 3 pounds of fries or wings. The large space allows you to cook in 2 levels like this too, making it ideal for small families or couples. What really makes it special is Ninja's Max Crisp technology, which hits up to 450 degrees Celsius, hotter than many standard basket air fryers. Reviews consistently praise how fast it preheats, how crispy it gets food, and how easy the ceramic-coated non-stick basket is to clean. The Instant Vortex Plus earns the title of Most Reliable Air Fryer of 2026 because it has built a reputation for using almost daily for 5 years or more without feeling like they need an upgrade. Priced around $120 to $150, it is the kind of air fryer people trust for everyday cooking: fries, wings, chicken, vegetables, leftovers. Its even crisp technology, fast preheating, spacious basket, and simple controls make it feel dependable whether you're cooking once a week or every single day. Many owners specifically love that, after years of use, it still heats fast, cooks evenly, and doesn't feel like a disposable kitchen gadget. Now, of course, no air fryer is perfect. It's a bit bulkier than some compact models, so you might face problems pulling out its tray at times. The Cosori TurboBlaze earns the title of Best Value Air Fryer of 2026 because this is where performance, premium features, and price finally meet in the sweet spot, priced around only $100. That's exactly why it's called Best Value. You're not just saving money, you're getting more for what you spend. Reviewers consistently highlight its strong price-to-performance ratio, with 6-quart capacity, 9 cooking functions, and high-end versatility at a mid-range price. This thing uses a high-speed DC motor with multiple fan speeds, reaches up to 450, and can cook up to 46% faster than older Cosori models. The Ninja Foodie earns the title of Best Overall Air Fryer of 2026 because this isn't just an air fryer. For a lot of people, it becomes the main cooking machine in the kitchen, priced around $180 to $250. What makes the DZ550 stand above the rest is its true dual-zone system, with 2 independent 5-quart baskets, giving you a massive 10-quart capacity. That means you can cook chicken in one basket, fries in the other, use different temperatures, different timings, and still have both finished together with Smart Finish. It also includes Ninja's Smart Cook Thermometer, which is a huge upgrade because it helps cook proteins like steak or chicken. Add 450 Fahrenheit max heat, fast preheating in about 2 minutes, 6 cooking functions. That's the perfect air fryer for anyone. And that's our list of the best air fryers of 2026, from budget-friendly picks to premium powerhouses. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me, which one are you choosing?